solve the frog problem. We need to find the minimum amount of steps to get the green frogs to one side and the red frogs to the other side. The goal is to find a formula that will help find the number of steps required to complete the game for any number of frogs. The question we must answer in this problem is to find out how many steps it takes to complete the frog game when there are 76 frogs on each side. Just starting with 5 frogs on each side is a bit complicated. We will start with one by one and keep moving up. Be sure to record how many steps you take to complete each game. Label the frogs on the green C, D, F, G, and I, and the red side A, B, E, H, and J. Always line the frogs up in this order. The rules of this game are a frog may only jump over a frog that is a different color. The frogs can only move forward if there is an empty space in front. The frogs can only jump over a frog if there is an empty space behind the frog you are jumping over. The frogs cannot move backwards.
Now for the one by one frogs, start by moving C forward. A jumps C. C moves forward. This took 3 steps to complete. For the 2 by 2 frogs, move C forward. A jumps C. B moves forward. C jumps B. D jumps A. A moves forward. B jumps D. Move D forward. This took 8 steps to complete. For the 3 by 3 frogs, move C forward. A jumps C. B moves forward. C jumps B. D jumps A. F moves forward. A jumps F. B jumps D. E jumps C. C moves forward. D jumps E. F jumps B. B moves forward. E jumps F. And F forward. This took 15 steps to complete. For the 4 by 4 frogs, move C forward. A jumps C. B moves forward. C jumps B. D jumps A. F moves forward. A jumps F. B jumps D. E jumps C. H moves forward. C jumps H. D jumps E. F jumps B. A moves forward. G jumps A. A moves forward. B jumps G. E jumps F. H jumps D. D moves forward. F jumps H. G jumps E. E moves forward. H jumps G. And G moves forward. This took 24 steps. For the 5 by 5 frogs, move C forward. A jumps C. B moves forward. C jumps B. D jumps A. F moves forward. A jumps F. B jumps D. E jumps C. H moves forward. C jumps H. D jumps E. F jumps B. G jumps A. I moves forward. A jumps I. B jumps C. E jumps F. H jumps D. J jumps C. C moves forward. D jumps J. F jumps H. G jumps E. I jumps B. B moves forward. E jumps I. H jumps J. J jumps I. F moves forward.
He messed up his.
J jumps F. F moves forward. G jumps J. I jumps H. H moves forward. J jumps I. And I moves forward. This took 35 steps to complete.